how to pay with Paysafecard on Ubisoft. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to pay with Paysafecard on Ubisoft. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can create an account on Paysafecard using the link down there in the video description below. So make sure to follow all of our links since some of them have bonus rewards upon opening them and making an account. And yeah, that's it. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Paysafecard, you can just sign up for an account using this sign up button right here in the top right corner. And after signing up on an account, you will be redirected to the dashboard right here. So you don't have any funds first, but you can buy funds online through gift card. So I recommend you to buy online rather than buy offline. So after you click this one, you will be redirected to this page where you will need to input the amount of funds that you want to add in your account. So you just need to pay with your credit card with them, and yeah, that's it. So after buying a gift card, they will show you a 16-digit code that you need to, copy and paste it right here on the 16-digit Paysafecard code right here to add your funds. And also make sure that you purchase a Paysafecard Mastercard account right here. You can just click learn more in order to find more about the Paysafecard Mastercard account. And after, creating a Paysafecard Mastercard account and adding funds to your Paysafecard, you are now ready to use your Paysafe account as a payment method on Ubisoft. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm just going to go to the Ubisoft and purchase something. So for example, this, I will get the game now and go to the checkout section. And as you can see in the checkout section, if I check out, they don't have a Paysafe card options on the payment method, but you can use the credit card via Sola right here, and just bind your Paysafe card Mastercard account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use your Paysafe card account on Ubisoft. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.